we are going to celebrate Rian's birthday. It's very cold last night, guys. This is the budbud. Boy.
Alena. Sikag ka pa. Mapandol ka.
Good morning. So we are here right now at the farmhouse, and we are going to celebrate Rian's birthday and also my auntie's birthday over here. It's Rian's 12 years and then my aunt is 60. Yeah, I think golden something. Hoy, Rian, mata na uy. Good morning, birthday girl.
Sophia na to.
Mata na.
Bitay na dari.
Ang lang niya. So we slept here at my auntie's house. Ay, good ko. It's so messy. Okay, I'll show you outside. So we're preparing. Happy birthday, Ante!
Hi!
By the way, guys. Yeah, 60. Happy birthday, Rian! Thank you. So this is the budbud that we worked on last night, and then that one as well. So it's gonna be a lot later. And this one is already cooked, as you can see. It's hot right now, but I can't eat this one because there's coconut milk, unfortunately. So the people around here preparing for the 2 birthdays. There's some maha. It's very cold last night, guys. And they have this one, budbud. This is maha. And then auntie is 60 years of age, so she decided to have some pig lechon later. Mana man to? Dili. Iyam sa horo doon kuan. It's chicken. Hello, Papa. Hello.
Ano yung sobra niya itong pista? Saan na lang? Hugas ko.
Hi, Nanay. Ala, food. Simply food. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Hi, it's my birthday. Sakto ran eh. Para asan eh. Wala mo guro ni ma. Hello. Oh, pamilaan na niya. Hoy, pagpuyo mo ba? Samantay kung may maguwang. Sophia, stop. Pagpuyo. My hair is braid. We share expenses for the 2 birthdays because it's Rian's birthday as well. We prepared some desserts, drinks, and food for the visitors. And they decided to celebrate birthday together at my aunt's farmhouse.
Isa ka lang nik mo isabaw. Pero di na gito mabog.
Ituyo dong. Bebe, plato.
Buya. Nasawa niya pre.
No tetikal pabilin.
Tapos nga. Tapos doon ba nga atin ba?
Wala may. Asa balik.
Kuan. Dili ba ang kuan ba? Dili man duha picture sa tagsa.
Ay, mga mong birahay ba na?
Oh, yung mga bisita mo.
Taga-America biya nang makakuntan na uy. Happy birthday!
Okay, so we are celebrating 60th birthday of my auntie and then 12 years birthday of Rian. And these are the visitors we have here. Hi mo, hi!
Salamat sa pagpunto.
It's nice to celebrate birthday here at the province area, guys. Happy
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Pikonsihal, papitsura to kay.
Happy birthday, Auntie Dedeng! Happy birthday, Rian!
Kamakuan ako nga ang apil din eh, kay Dungan.
Birthday niya.
This man, itong anak ko,
Yay!
Happy birthday.
Smile!
Smile! Smile, pre! Muna na smile mo?
Dala ka, hoy! Sikag ka pa. Mapantol ka, sikag. Ala! Lama, maigo ang isa.
Pungi ba, pungi?
Ay, ate, kabalo daw siya.
Ikaw daw, be. Ikaw daw. Bigo, day ka. Sakto na ni mga on mo?
Dili ay. Dili, oy, dagan kay mig saging sa biliran. Ay, dili dili na butikol?
Dili, oh.
Dili. Yeah. Tagabukin na gyud ay siya.
Oy, kita na ako na sa YouTube. Karang masanayan na butikol.
Anak din na.
Dali ra na oy. Yate. Oh, sugay. Drop.
Ayaw na lang na. Yan na lang na. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click the notification bell to keep you updated. And thank you so much for the continued support. Bye everyone!